Okay, so I know it's a computer bag, but there is no computer. But I have 3 notebooks, way more highlighters than I need, so I won't pull those out because that's a lot. I have a pen and pencil, some index cards to make flashcards. I have a little mouse, even though there's no computer. And I have a phone charger.
My laptop. My notebook that I write my notes with.
I have a computer, some notebooks, and a planner. And I have more stuff, but this is what's more important.
Well, I got 2 folders, I have a book, a binder, you know, another book, you hit the gym, and just cologne.
A phone charger.
Snacks. Snacks is a key important thing because you could be sitting in class and all of a sudden your stomach growls and you're hungry. I can reach down in my bag and grab a snack or a Dr. Pepper.
A planner, so you can make sure where, like, when your due dates are, you can stay on track with everything, your homework or whatever, what's coming up and all that, so you can have good grades.
Just have it organized. Like this, I have all my classes organized, you know? You're good.